Well, guys, I got my first kill in the mail truck today. Poor little bird didn't even see me coming. There it was, just flying along all happy, and bam. All I saw in the rearview mirror was a poof of feathers just flying around in the air. That's so bad. And then I had to pass it later on. It was just lying there. Oh, man. I'll be making arrangements soon. I'll keep you all posted. I'm sorry, little bird. Sorry. And it's right before the holidays. Oh, gosh.